Good afternoon, Vernon from AVS here. We're going to go in and try to fix a problem that we're having with remote desktop sessions, where all of the remote desktops in the domain was actually coming up with an error that said an internal error has occurred and you can't connect to the remote desktop session. So what we are going to do to fix that is to change our group policy on the server. So in order to get into the group policy, I'm going to try and go down to the bottom here. And I'm going to right click on the start menu and go run. And now I'm going to try to type the GP MC.MSC, Group Policy Management Console. Okay, when the Group Policy Management Console opens up, we're going to go ahead and we're going to right click on the default domain policy and we're going to click edit. Okay, so that opens up our group policy. You can see it and see if I can expand it a little bigger. Okay, we're going to minimize the user configuration just so we don't get confused. Go into policies, and under policies we're going to go into administrative template, and under administrative templates we're going to go into Windows components. I'll move that over a little bit so we can get a better view. Under Windows components we're going to look for remote desktop services. We'll do a little tick mark so that we can see what drops down below. You'll see remote desktop session host. From remote desktop session host, we're going to go into security. So when we left click on security, then we're going to look for this setting over in the middle that says require use of specific security layer for remote RDP connection. And what we'll do is just double click that so it'll open up that box for us. That panel rather. Okay, and normally this will be not configured. It would be in this position, and then you would just select it to the enabled, and under the security layer make sure RDP is selected. There's three choices there. You can do negotiate, SSL, or RDP. So make sure RDP is selected. From there you would click OK, apply, then OK. Then you can close out of your group policy management editor, and at that point you would have to reboot your computer. And after you reboot your computer, all of your local remote desktop connections to the server should be working again. Hopefully this helps, and thanks for watching.